Well, hello, this is Umar Amin Mohammed from the Department of Biological Sciences, Bauchi State University, Gado. Welcome to the second video on ecological techniques. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about sampling methods. We have a lot of sampling methods employed in ecological or biological techniques, which include transect and quadrats. This is used for measuring plants and non-motile animals. Then we have Lincoln index, which is the marker capture method. It is used for small animals. And we have the aerial observation, or in other words, they call it point count method. It's used in measuring large trees and animals. Now, quadrats and transects sampling are commonly used methods for investigating distribution within plant community and the most residential population of animals, such as those that are found inhabiting the seashores, that's placed close to water bodies. Now, we have frame quadrats that are wood or metal frames of a known area. Now, we have examples of 0.25 meter square or 0.5 meter square or 1 meter square. All these are employed in studying the population distribution and are generally square shaped. Now, this is a typical example of homemade quadrat with an internal area of 0.25 meters. As you can see, it has grids in it. While this is an example of a quadrat frame constructed from wood or metal, and basically the first one is a square quadrat frame for determining population density, and the other one is subdivided into quadrat frames for determining percentage of cover of species. Now, various approaches are used to determine the representation of species within an area. Now, species population density is one of those approaches, which is the number of individuals per meter square. It is determined by counting all individuals within the square of a random placed quadrat frame and calculating the mean. Then we have percentage cover, which is determined subjectively by assessing the extent to which species occupy subdivided quadrat frames, or by the use of point quadrat frames. Now, frequency of occurrence of a species is determined using subdivided quadrats and point quadrat frames. Now, point quadrat frames usually use pins, and these pins are dropped through each hole in turn, and hits are recorded. Now, this is an example of a point quadrat frame. Now, if a pin is dropped and it touches a particular plant, then it is recorded. And that species is recorded, and the same second hole of the pin, the third and the fourth, and at the end of the day, all these recordings are recorded, and the calculation is done using this particular formula, which is percentage cover. Number of hits is divided by total number of pins times 100. Cheers. See you soon.